Rome begins right here. This is the Colosseum, and it's even crazier than you think. I came here early in the morning, and trust me, it makes all the difference. No chaos, no rush, just you and 2000 years of history. And even the locals come here early hours for their pre-wedding shoots and other kinds of photo shoots. The Colosseum could hold over 50,000 people and was the heart of entertainment in ancient Rome. The Colosseum is nearly 2000 years old, completed in 80 AD. It is the largest amphitheater ever built in the Roman Empire. It could hold around 50,000 to 65,000 spectators like a modern football stadium. Even though you could buy tickets here, I would recommend buy your tickets well in advance, possibly online. Now let us get inside and explore in detail. The name Colosseum comes from a giant statue of Emperor Nero nearby. Each level of the Colosseum used a different architectural style: Doric, Iconic, and Corinthian. The outer walls were originally covered in white marble, making it shine in the sun. Much of that marble was later removed and reused in buildings across Rome, including churches. There were 80 entrances designed so crowds could enter and exit within minutes. What you see below is the Hypogeum, an underground maze where animals and gladiators waited. There were trapdoors and elevators powered by humans to bring animals up into the arena. The arena floor used to be made of wood and covered with sand to absorb the blood. Gladiator fights weren't always to the death. Many were trained professionals and valuable assets. The Colosseum hosted not just fights but animal hunts, executions, and dramatic performances as well. And some events were so elaborate that they recreated forests and exotic landscapes inside the arena. In the early days, the Colosseum may have even been used for mock naval battles flooded with water. Despite earthquakes, fires, and centuries of damage, the Colosseum still stands as one of the greatest symbols of ancient Rome. What we are viewing through the window is the beautiful Palatine Hill, with many more interesting and ancient facts. These are some of the portions of the pillars displayed here for visitors like us. Imagine 50,000 people screaming at once. That's what this place sounded like in those days. And this is the passage used by the Emperor Commodus. This is it. We are now exiting out of the Colosseum. Now you see an hour later the crowd in front of the Colosseum. So make sure you visit in the early hours to enjoy the Colosseum.